Hi everyone. Welcome back to English Guru, your one-stop channel to master English speaking. I'm English Guru, and today, we're diving into 5 daily English phrases that will instantly make you sound like a pro. Ready to upgrade your English game? Let's get started. Phrase 1, friendly greetings. First up, how's it going?
How's it going?
Hey, how's it going?
This is a casual way to ask someone how they are, and it's much more natural than how are you? Example, hey Sarah, how's it going? Pretty good, thanks. How about you? Use this phrase with friends, colleagues, or anyone you know well. It's relaxed and friendly. Phrase 2, expressing gratitude. I really appreciate it. Want to sound polite and professional? Use I really appreciate it instead of just saying, thanks.
Thanks guys, I appreciate it.
I really appreciate your honesty.
I really appreciate your help.
Steve, I really appreciate you being there for me. But
thank you for helping me with the project. I really appreciate it. It shows sincerity and makes the other person feel valued. Phrase 3, asking for clarification. Could you clarify that for me?
I see.
Thanks for clarifying.
Just clarify. Isn't Milwaukee an Indian name?
Yes, Pete, it is.
this isn't right.
Sometimes, we don't understand something completely. Instead of saying, what do you mean? Try, could you clarify that for me? I didn't catch that. Could you clarify it for me? This phrase is polite and works well in both formal and informal settings. Phrase 4, expressing agreement. That makes sense. Instead of saying I agree, you can say, that makes sense.
You want to wear a green dress.
That makes sense.
It makes sense.
Yep.
It's a simple yet effective way to show you understand and agree with someone's point of view. Example, we should probably leave earlier to avoid traffic. Yeah, that makes sense. Doesn't that sound natural? Phrase 5, offering help. Let me know if you need anything.
You know, if you need anything, don't be shy, okay?
Need anything? No.
This phrase is great for being kind and supportive. You can use it with friends, coworkers, or even neighbors. Example, I hope your presentation goes well. Let me know if you need anything. It's a small gesture that leaves a big impression. And there you have it, 5 daily phrases to help you speak English like a pro. Practice these, and you'll sound more fluent and confident in no time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to English Guru, and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments which phrase you'll start using today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.